Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 23rd, 2020, and here we are. We're going to give you all an update on XRP, and you guys can already tell, look at my chart, that the trap has done an exceedingly wonderful job in pushing the value of XRP over the last couple of days. Now, the only thing we need to try to figure out is, can it be maintained? And if so, can the market continue to go higher? So we're going to speak on that today in this video, but before I do, this is your first time watching our video, make sure if you guys appreciate the content that you hit the like button, you share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It is our purpose to give you all information that is beneficial to you so we all can get a position on the next price movement. That's it. Everything else is null and void. It's pointless. It's useless. You need to get in position, and this is something that we deliver here on this particular channel. So November the 20th was the last time we did our video for XRP. You guys can already tell our expectations was for the movement to continue to go higher in price. We had our ultimate TP price right there around 32 cents, which is about 6.23% profitability, which literally came through on November the 20th. Okay, so we maintain our forecast that we generated into the market in XRP right here on the 17th. Didn't change it. Okay, we kept it the same. We said we're going to continue to go forward into the market in XRP, and the market came on that same particular day and tagged out at 6.23%. Now let's say you just continue to held your position after the 17th, after the 20th of November. Let's see how high you'll be up right now in profit. Okay, so that's about 56.65% profitability right now in XRP. You can't get no better than that. To get a return that quick in the market is great. It's substantial. So congratulations to each and every one of you who have capitalized on this recent movement in XRP. All right, so let's get rid of that. We are starting out a new week, so we need to revise our price chart. Okay, things change, so your analysis needs to change alongside with it. You're not cemented, you're not structured to where you cannot maneuver around in a market. Don't let no one else try to tell you anything different. You're able to adjust the things that you see on your price chart, especially once the trap makes a change. You need to adjust right alongside with them. The market is fluid. Okay, it is not fixated, it is not structured to where you cannot change. So already, what is the first thing we need to change into the market on our price chart? Yes, we need to change this ascending line, because the market in XRP has obliterated that. We are definitely trading in a whole new price level. So this line that you guys see on my chart, there's no need to keep it there because the market is not even there. So let's get rid of this, and let's try to zoom out to see what occurred around this 44 cent to 50 cent area the last time XRP was trading here. Okay, because obviously you would expect us to see some restriction, right? And we are right here. The last time the market in XRP was trading around 48 cents was back in June of 2019. Well, within a year, this market in XRP has not been trading here. So it might feel new to a lot of people, but guess what? It's not new to the trap. He's been here before. So he's expecting the same thing that occurred here to try to happen this go around. So he's expecting for us to see some weakness coming to the market, because this is what occurred at that particular time. The market found weakness at 50 cents, and you guys can see we've been in a very severe downtrend since that time. Well, we're back at it again. Now we need to focus in on whether or not the market is going to be so much induced to where that weakness that came in 2019, that we'll get the same thing this go around. But there's one thing that has changed, and I want to show you what has changed from 2019 all the way to today's date, right? So you guys can see right here, back in 2019, the volume for XRP, it's not extreme, it's not excessive, but look at the volume this go around. Yes, people are in agreement with the market in XRP trading at this level. Why? Because this volume indicates how many people or how many positions and how much money has been placed on the line just to move this market in XRP. So it's very beneficial to see that play out for XRP, right? Now, let's take a look at this market. Okay, so we identify around 50 cents is restriction. Okay, so we need to create this line in the market for XRP to identify itself as restriction. This is where we are expecting sellers to enter the market. Okay, now this is a very monumental spread that we've seen in XRP. We haven't seen this much of a spread literally nowhere on this chart, except for this particular 5-day price bar back in 2018. So since we have concluded the weekly time frame, let's take a look at the market in XRP here. And in actuality, the strength is still here into the market in XRP. I still suspect that the trap is still antsy to try to continue to increase the value of this market in XRP. And this is the next area of contention, right there around 60 cents. Okay. So again, in the long term, the trap looks to try to hit this market around 60 cents. If not that, it's going to be 80. Okay. And it's just in the extreme long term, the market is definitely trying to hit that 80 cent area. But the first objective for him is going to be around 60 cents. All right. Now, that doesn't mean that you're not going to see any instances to where the market's going to continue to go lower in price. You will have days to where the market will go lower. Okay. But ultimately, what I'm trying to get to you is that based off what the trap has laid down for us to look at, he is still trying to move this market higher for XRP. Okay, so we are going to create that into the market right now. That's going to be our forecast for XRP. We're going to look for him to try to continue to increase this market. Now, I told you around 60 cents, 58 cents is where he's going to try to take the market. We're going to leave it right here where we at. Matter of fact, I do like this area because we are seeing some tops on a couple of daily price bars in the market for XRP right around this vicinity. And this is where we're going to ultimately try to take some more TP out the market. Okay, these areas, which is around 53 cents. We'll do it again. Now, again, looking at the long term, though, like I told you, the spread of that current weekly price bar that we just concluded definitely looks like he's wanting to try to tag out around 60, 55, 60 cents in that vicinity. And that's it. Now, we've done our part. This is our expectations. Now it's your turn. What do you all see in the market for XRP? Where will the market be in the next 3 days? Where will the price be at? Let me know with a comment in the comment section, and from there we let the trap do its thing. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.